I'm just going to press record. Hello, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me well. I'm just going to press record and you'll be able to get this recording as well. I will be changing because it's on live stream, so I'll change the subject as I'm going through. But this is week 10, episode 10, how to revolutionize your healthcare business. Whoop, whoop. Let's do this. Right, let me just make this a bit bigger for everyone. And then I'm going to press record. And then I'm going to share my screen. Excellent. So can everyone hear me okay? And I'll just put my slideshow on. Yes, excellent. Wonderful. I'm glad that you can hear me. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to episode 10, Build Your CEO Muscles. And today is about learn how to revolutionize your healthcare business. That was a tongue twister, that was, wasn't it? So let me know that you can hear me. Give me some love, give me some hearts. Let me know that you are watching this live. If you are watching the replay, then hashtag replay, okay? Today's going to be really amazing. I'm just going to drink my tea here. Excellent. I can't see who's on at the moment. And so I'll just continue with the training. And today's going to be amazing because it's about us. Look at all of this space that we've got to grow and to improve our business and the models that we're offering. All too often, we've been just sticking to one thing. And I don't know whether that's because, we've been, usually we've been in an office, for example, and doing things the kind of the old way. Now, there's large organizations out there that are global, that you could be doing the same as well by reaching more clients, for example, doing different types of healthcare business models, okay? You start off with one, you get strong in that, and then you continue to build, and you just keep stacking your business models, okay? So like I said, today is about learn how to revolutionize your healthcare business. So the healthcare industry is constantly evolving, and to revolutionize your healthcare business, you need to be willing to adapt, embrace new technologies. We can't get away from these technologies. They're here and they're here to stay, and we have to embrace that. Processes and business models, they're changing in different dynamics as well of the services that we're offering, i.e. virtual wards, virtual meetings online with service users and patients, for example. We're doing business meetings online, like here, for example. And you should start getting into the flow of getting used to doing this, especially when you are looking at getting business in for your organization. You can do this quite easily through Zoom, etc., for example. So it's a commitment to delivering exceptional patient care. That is number one, and that is fundamental of what we're offering, what you'll be offering, but it will also impact and help your staff members as well as yourself and the service user, the patient as well as the organizations that you'll be working with. It's about working together for the goal of being the patients and service users are central to everything that we do. So the healthcare industry, like I said, is evolving rapidly, and technology is driving so much change. There's a lot of changes now. And by you adapting innovative healthcare technologies such as electronic health records, telemedicine, you can get registered with CQC if you are a doctor, for example, then why not look at doing that as well as virtual wards, for example? Okay, so there's different things that you can do that will help your healthcare business to be revolutionized. Yes, everyone we are on episode 10. Yes. And like I said, I need to just change the stream and I will do this afterwards. Okay. So I need to go in and make the changes. Okay. So like I said, we are revolutionizing our own healthcare businesses and organizations, large companies out there, worldwide companies are doing this. And they've all started from somewhere, just like you had. You started. Maybe some of you haven't started, but you need to look at all of these different aspects. Even if you haven't started, then look at what aspects you want to provide in order for you to be in the, in the know, to be innovative, to be the revolutionized healthcare business that you are. So patients want to feel valued, they want to be heard, and healthcare businesses can revolutionize their industry by prioritizing personalized patient care. This could include offering tailored treatment plans using patient feedback. This can be done online where they're interacting engagement tools to improve care and investing in patient engagement tools. That's something that you all must be thinking about doing right now. I'm not saying that you run out and do this because it costs money. So you need to get patients, patients coming in, service users, for example, you need to have money coming in, and then you invest back into these engagement tools, because this is where it will make you stand out from everyone else, that you're providing this service that's going to help service users to interact with you. Invest in patient education. Now, some of you could be offering educating patients about their own health. This can help them take an active role in their care and improve their health outcomes. Healthcare businesses can invest in patient education programs, such as health classes and educational material to empower patients to take control of their health. Everyone can hear me okay? Excellent. Wonderful. Excellent. Just I can't see any comments yet. That's why I'm looking at my phone as well. Let's put this up here, so I can see my phone as well. Let's see if any comments come up. So you can partner with other healthcare professionals, providers. Healthcare businesses can gain a competitive advantage by partnering with other healthcare providers such as hospitals and clinics. Imagine that. You can be working with them, providing your revolutionized healthcare business model. You can be working with organizations. I mean, I am really excited because we've got this AI software that's coming out in a couple of months. It's currently in its construction stage, and it's about you looking at working. How can you work with clinics? How can you work with hospitals? How can you work with other healthcare providers in the field that you want to provide the service to? So you can be specialized in healthcare technology, for example. So revolutionizing a healthcare business requires a long-term perspective, a commitment to innovation, and a willingness to adapt to changing industry trends. So look at what the NHS is doing. Look at what your government is doing in your state. You know, whether you're in the US, whether you're in the UK, whether you're abroad, for example, Europe, look at what new initiatives are coming out that you can actually be a part of. So by providing personalized information, support, you're providing ongoing education and support throughout. Service users and the carers can benefit from this. Using technology to streamline operations, You can use technology to manage your scheduling, billing, and other administrative tasks. This can help to reduce errors, streamline your operations, and increase efficiency. Now, there's software out there that can do multiple things at a press of a button, whereby it will help to make things faster, it will improve your service, but also it will point out to you if there's anything that is a red flag that you would need to act upon. So look at the top billionaire healthcare companies in the UK. And I'm going to mention some of them, and I want you all to be thinking about this, because look at what they're doing, what they're offering, and see how you can also offer the same service, but on a smaller level. Everyone hear me okay? Let's make sure because it's frozen on me. So I'm going to mention some of the top billionaire healthcare companies. So Bupa. Bupa is a private healthcare company that provides health insurance, healthcare services, and home healthcare services to individuals and businesses. Let's have a look here. Excellent, wonderful. Now, these are the billionaire companies in healthcare, okay? Not millionaire, billionaire. That's what I've just said, okay? So I'm mentioning this because you all need to look at these organizations that are earning, billions of dollars. What is it that they're doing? That, what systems do they have in place? Because this is part of what I offer as well. And look at how you can match the same, okay? Another one is Nufford Health. It's a private healthcare company that provides a wide range of healthcare services, including hospitals, fitness, wellness centers, diagnostic services, physiotherapists, for example, okay? There's Spire Healthcare. That's a private healthcare company that operates a network of hospitals, clinics throughout the UK, providing a wide range of medical and surgical services. And I'm sure that you all know of these organizations. So can I get some comments in the chat to say you know who these are? So the fourth one is Priory Group. That's a private healthcare company that specializes in mental health services, including addiction treatment, eating disorders, and depression. Now, I'm sure you've all heard of these companies that are billionaire companies, for example. And they're using technology, revolutionized technology in their healthcare business. Like I said, we do help large organizations as well as the smaller ones. So it's important for you, and this is why I'm doing this weekly training every Wednesday, to talk to you about things that's happening out there that you need to be aware of, because all too often we're just stuck on where our office is and we're not looking outside of the box. Look at the competition. Yes, of course, you should look at that, but also look at who is, the leaders, and aim to be as good, and if not better, than what they are currently providing. Yeah, so this is why it's important for you to look at how you can revolutionize your healthcare business. Another one, Babylon Health, a digital healthcare company that provides online medical consultations, chatbots, and symptoms checkers. Okay, so there's a lot of things that are being done online. And if you match that qualification, maybe you're a doctor, nurse, for example, then there's certain things that you can do whereby you are offering services online. You can even look in terms of the service users within their homes as well. Is this working? Can you hear what I'm saying? This is really good information for you. Yeah, exactly. And they're revolutionizing all the time. They're constantly developing, they're constantly improving on the systems that they have, so they're able to get these huge contracts. Okay. And this is how they become billionaires, for example. So we all know of those organizations that I've mentioned. Have a look, check them out. What is it that they're offering that you can also offer as well? So there's United Health Group. That's a health insurance and healthcare services company that is one of the largest in the world. And I'm talking about the world now, okay? There's CVS Health, a healthcare company that operates pharmacies, clinics, and health insurance services. Johnson & Johnson, everyone knows this, a multinational healthcare company that produces medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and consumer health products. What is it that you can look at, that you can offer, that is revolutionary, but at the same time is going to increase your business model so that you've got an extra income stream for your business? And this is the reason why I'm mentioning this. You want to 10x your business so that you are growing your business in a way that's going to meet the needs of our future. So we all need to start thinking about this now, if you haven't done so already. So there are many agencies, healthcare agencies around the world that are working to revolutionize the healthcare industry through innovative approaches and cutting edge technologies. And here is a few examples. So get your pen and paper out, laptop, whatever it is you've got, take some notes because you want to take notes. You can always listen to the replay. Like I said, give me some hearts, give me some love here, and let me know that you can hear me and that you're finding this useful. And also at the same time that you're watching it live. If you're watching the replay, then put replay, hashtag replay, okay? And also, let's hear some revolutionize in the chat box. What things are you going to be looking at, focusing on this week from the training that you're going to implement? Okay, whether you're going to do research with the billion-dollar companies, healthcare agencies, medical staffing agencies, assisted living facilities, supported living, accommodation, home care, for example, diagnostic centers, private clinics. What is it that you're going to look at in terms of how you're going to meet the needs in order to become revolutionized? So get your pen and paper. Like I said here, Babylon Health. Babylon Health is a UK company that uses artificial intelligence and telemedicine to provide online medical consultations and other healthcare services. Tencent, Doctor Work, is a Chinese healthcare company that provides a range of healthcare services, including medical consultation, online prescription delivery, and appointment bookings. I'm showing you things which are worldwide, okay? And there's no reason why you can't look at those models and look at how you can implement what they're currently doing, or even if you are looking to be a global organization, which is what I specialize in, it's helping companies become a global healthcare business type of model, okay? There's also Live On Go, is a US-based digital health company that uses data and analytics to help people manage chronic conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, and behavioral health issues. Online is getting huge for mental health because rather than people, service users or the adults that need services, mental health services, rather than them get dressed and having to get in the car or train, transport, whatever, and then have to wait. They can just go online and have their consultation with their doctor, for example, or nurse, for example. Got a message here. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excellent. Wonderful. Thank you. I'm glad you're enjoying this. I want all of you, because I'm seeing the wonderful results that people are getting by being global. I want the same for you. I'm not saying that you're to jump and do it straight away, but you need to start planning. You need to look at the 5-year plan for your organization, because you want to be able to have multiple arms to your business so that you get to the 10 million, for example. And I'm just saying 10 million, you can get to more. It depends how big you want to go and what staff members that you've got in place that are dynamic, that can help you to grow in your business. Or is it just you, the provider, that's doing everything? Then you need to have a word with me so that we can talk about how you can delegate and scale your business by having the right team that really wants to support you in your company's growth, that will have you back and that will look after you. That's the type of staff members that you need, as well as your managers, for example. Okay, this is how you can grow your business, because you can't do it all by yourself. And I know that, I understand that. That's why I have a team in my company to help me to grow, because I am a global organization. So on with this, which here it's Practico. This is an Indian healthcare company that provides online doctor consultation, medical appointments, and home healthcare services. We do things worldwide. We don't have to just stay where we are. Okay, so I want you to see the bigger picture here. Okay, so Proteus Digital Health is a US-based digital healthcare company that has developed a system that combines medication with sensors and wearable devices. For example, your Apple Watches, for example, like these things, wearables, to monitor patient health and medical adherence. Zipline. Zipline is a company that is US-based healthcare logistics company that uses drones. I know this is far-fetched. Drones to deliver medical supplies and blood products to remote areas in Africa and other parts of the world. They would not have received the treatment, for example, without this. We'll just make sure that you can, hopefully everyone can see my slide. Excellent, good. Just wanted to check. Wonderful. So are you making notes about this? Because I find when I write things down, I can take it in better. So what I wanted to do was to touch base with you about how you can revolutionize your business. And you can revolutionize your business by, first of all, what I want you all to do is to make a note of 10 companies that are billionaires. And I'm not saying millionaires, I'm saying billionaire companies that are to do with healthcare businesses types. You got to all look at your raising your energy levels to their level. Okay. And I want you to look outside of where you are and look at what they are achieving, and look at whether there's something which you can provide in that location or in that arena, for example. You know, are you a doctor? You could be doing doctor consultations for an agency, or even have your own agency where you've got doctors doing consultations, medical appointments, telemedicines. Register with the Care Quality Commission or whatever licensing state that you're in. You will need to make sure that you are within the law and regulation wise. You know, look at these big organizations and look at what they're doing and see how you can achieve to this level. Whether it's in a small level, it's still something, because you want to look at the future, meeting the future now. Don't wait for the future to hit you and then you're behind. You need to meet it now so that you're able to walk into that future now. Okay, start talking about it now, start thinking about it now. Is that helping everyone? Because this is about you being a revolutionized healthcare business that you're able to then put onto your website. You can put it onto your documentation. You can put it onto your introductory letters. You can really do this in your presentation. If you're looking to work with organizations, large organizations, private clinics, hospitals, etc., then discuss about your company being revolutionized and how you are meeting the need, for example. Okay. I hope that's really helping you. I'm going to drink my water. Does anyone have any questions about what I'm saying right now? If my team can put in the chat so that I can see, because I can't see any messages right now for some reason. Just go back to that. Now I am live. Let me go to the page. Just want to, yep, I'm in the page. Have a look. So does anyone have any questions? Because at the moment I can't see any of your questions at all. I can't see any comments. And my team is putting comments in my messenger. So if you can please do that, team. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so no one has got any questions about what I've just said. Excellent. Right, so what I'll do is I will move on. So we would like you to register for, well, we've got our next boot camp, which is the 3-day healthcare summit, which is March the 14th to the 16th. It is our University of Care Providers boot camp. It's a 3-day boot camp. The price is $597 at the moment until the 16th of March. Then the price then goes up as well to $797, just to let you know. So do register. You can even book an appointment. My team will give you the link for you to book an appointment so that you can talk to our team regarding our boot camp, so we can give you information about what is covered in our boot camp as well. And you know, it's going to be amazing, because in this boot camp, I'm going to talk about the revolutionary healthcare business model that you can implement. It's one step at a time. But look at those large companies. They've all started from somewhere, just the same as where you are. And why can't you offer similar, but in a smaller way, until you built your business up to a strong level? Okay, so join us for the University of Care Providers Bootcamp, which is March the 14th to the 16th. Like I said, there's going to be a new module in there, and that is where I'm going to talk about revolutionary healthcare business model that you can implement straight away. Okay, so you don't want to miss out on that one. Okay. We've also got our membership vault, which starts on the 16th. It is going live on the 16th. For those of you that have purchased, thank you so much. You will be getting the link next week for you to then get your dashboard to log in. And then we are doing the live training on Thursday next week. As Thursday next week at 7 p.m. After the University of Care Providers has finished on the 16th, I will then be going live at 7 p.m. for the membership members only. And you'll also get a link to join the Zoom meeting, as well as it will be, you will get the private closed Facebook group for the membership members as well. But we do have the vault here, so my team will put the links there for the membership, as well as to book an appointment, so that we can talk to you about the membership, but also we can talk to you about the University of Care Providers Bootcamp, what that covers. Also, like I said, there's going to be the new module in there, which is about the healthcare, how to revolutionize your healthcare business so that you can work with larger organizations as well. I'd like you all to register for our next free 3-day healthcare millionaire roadmap, Unlock the Vault to Financial Freedom. I will be also discussing some of the revolutionary items as well in this. And the next one is, because we had the 3-day one, which was February the 22nd to the 24th. And the next one here is the 5th of April to the 7th of April, 2023. It's at 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and it will be for 3 days. So, which will be good for all of you. Hopefully you'll be able to attend. Please do register for the free event. It's hosted by me. We will have some guest speakers. I am currently negotiating with the guest speakers at the moment, because I want a large organization to come in and talk to you about what they've actually achieved in their healthcare business. So I hope that you've all registered. Can you let me know, team, that you've put the link in the chat for the Healthcare Business Summit, which is the Millionaire Roadmap. And this is Unlock the Vault to Financial Freedom. Let me just have a look here. I can't see any comments in the chat box. So have a look, register for the free event, book a free 15-minute consultation with myself and the team. For example, like I said, register for our 3-day University of Care Providers Bootcamp. We can provide you with information on that. If anyone wants information on that, if you just put in the chat box, information, bootcamp, and we can reach out to you as well. Register for the Healthcare Millionaires Roadmap, Unlock the Vault to Financial Freedom. We're going to be covering some amazing things in there. That's going to be for 3 days. And that is on the 5th of April to the 7th of April, 2023, 7 p.m. I hope that you can all join us. You'll get invitations for you to, an invite for you to register as well. I just want to say thank you to you all. Does anyone have any questions? Just checking my phone here. Anyone got any questions? Let's have a look. So if you're watching the replay, #replay, you can see there's 42 comments here. Let's have a look here. Now I can see when I finish, that's when it suddenly comes up. Excellent. So the links are in there. Let's have a look. You're welcome. You're welcome, P. Thanks, Steve. So you've heard of the Billionaire Healthcare Business Companies. Have a look here. Excellent. Excellent. So Sophie said, can't wait for the next week's bootcamp. Got my laptop with me. Woo-hoo! Hey, go, girl, go. Excellent. That would be nice. That's so well. Let's have a look. On my way. Wow. So you're going to Jamaica. Lovely. I bet you be nice for you to be with your family. Hi. Hi, Sajid. Hi. Hello. Now I can see all these messages coming up. Hi, Steve. Excellent. Thank you, Jazen. Thank you, Alika. Thank you, Jaya. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you. Now, does anyone have any questions about the revolutionary that I've talked about today? Who wants to be global? In the chat box, type global. Who wants to be a global organization? You know, your 5-year plan. Who wants to be global? I mean, I know you probably think I need to get my head around national, but you can be national, you can be global as well. The processes are very similar. It's just it's another country. So don't let it put you off. That's why I'm here to help you, because I'm seeing large organizations that are global, and providing you got the right staff members in place, then there's no reason why you can't have that as well. Especially if you've got family members or someone that you know that's in a particular country abroad that can work with you, then why not? Why not build it together? Build it together. This is my motto. You can go fast all by yourself, but you can go far together. And that's the reason why I do these weeklies, so that we can all grow far together and go far together. It's about grow, scale your business, your healthcare business. And there's so many different models that you can be doing. Okay, so even though you're based in the UK or you may be based in the States, then look at, you know, doing States and the UK. I did that many years ago with my medical staffing agency. I was UK and USA based. Let's have a look, see what other messages they are. Excellent, excellent. So thank you so much, everyone, for being here today. I've really appreciate it. For those of you that haven't been able to attend, please do comment #replay. So I know that you're watching the replay, and I will reach out to you as well. I want to just say thank you to all of you for being here today. I really do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day and your schedules as well. And, you know, let's keep looking at how we can build our CEO muscles within our business. What is your business model? What is your aims and objectives for your business? How big do you want to grow? What is your turnover going to be in the first year, second year, third year, for example? What it will be in 5 years' time? Look at meeting the future now. Don't wait for the future to pass you and then you're like, what's happened? I don't know what's happened here. Start thinking about it now. Meet that future now. Don't avoid it, because you can't avoid it. You can, but you don't want to avoid it. You want to meet that future and embrace it, and then work in the future with your business model so that you're meeting the needs of organizations so they can work with you. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for all of you, and have a wonderful, great day. It's been such a pleasure training you and talking to you about how to revolutionize your healthcare business. So thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye. I'm just going to minimize my screen. I'm just going to stop share for a moment. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.